this since you're taller and you can actually see it? Can you do it? Here's the babies. They're all sleeping, growing, getting a little more feathers. Can't get them to wake up, so they must be well fed. Here's all the babies in their nest. They're growing, they're getting bigger.
Can you see? Beautiful baby birds. They're starting to get feathers. Look at that. We don't want to disturb them too much. Kind of back away. See what we can find. They're breathing. That's all we're going to see. Back away from the tree.